I'm Kanan Noble. I'm Vice President of Remanufacturing for DXP. Today I want to tell you how remanufacturing can help you achieve your ESG initiatives. At DXP, we're proud of our remanufacturing expertise for several reasons. First, we're proud we can offer a remanufactured pump in a fraction of the lead time of our competitor's new pump. We're also proud because it's a more environmentally friendly option. Remanufacturing, simply put, is upcycling. We buy pumps on the market and store them in our Tyler, Texas or Houston, Texas remanufacturing facilities. Once an application is identified, we bring the pumps in and remanufacture them to new API tolerances. We also provide a new pump warranty and API testing on those pumps. So why is this more environmentally friendly? Well, the alternative is a new pump. And to manufacture a new pump requires a lot of energy-intensive operation. First, raw material has to be sourced from the earth, or from scrap, or from a combination of the two. This raw material has to go to a foundry and be melted and processed into raw material ingots. These ingots then must be transported to another foundry where they're melted down again and cast into pump castings. These castings then have to be transported, usually from overseas, to the new pump manufacturing facility where they can be machined into new pump parts. All this transportation, melting, and mining requires a lot of energy. Energy that is obtained by burning fossil fuels, usually in developing countries. Burning these fossil fuels creates a lot of carbon dioxide. A typical 6,000-pound pipeline pump may create more than 12,000 pounds of carbon dioxide just in the foundry and transportation processes alone. These processes aren't required when you buy a remanufactured pump. We can also remanufacture pumps that are currently in service. In so doing, we can restore the efficiency lost by wear of the internal pump components. We can also adjust the hydraulics of a pump that's now oversized or undersized due to changing process conditions and get that pump to operate closer to its best efficiency point. By increasing the pump's efficiency, we save energy, we save money, and we reduce the carbon footprint of the pump in operation. So with all other things being equal, why wouldn't someone want to explore a remanufactured option for their next pump purchase?